the other leg up to tabletop. All right, once you get that single leg stretch, extend the right leg forward. Inhaling. Extend the left one forward. In breath in. We can add the arms and reach and center and reach and center. Extend and center. Extend. And now if you want to follow me, we can extend and bring the hand back for 1, 2. And then arms forward for 1 and 2. Hands behind the head for another set. Last one. Bring the legs back to the center. Legs up together. Turn the palms facing down. Lifting up in the chest a little bit more. For the 100th, we go. In breath. Exhale. You're also welcome to keep the legs in a bending position if the extended legs not available for you today for any reason. And 2 more sets. Last set here. And stay. We bend the knee. We take one foot down. We lower the other foot down.